Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Home Interiors. In this video, I am going to show you the beautiful and best indoor plants by which you can decorate your home interior. If you are looking for ways to add a touch of green and life to your interior, adding a few indoor plants can be your best bet. Indoor plants not only add greener tones to your decor but are also beneficial for your health, as many of them can actually purify the indoor air. What's more, some of the best indoor plants actually take up minimum space, require very little maintenance, and bloom all year round, giving you a chance to grow your plants even while living in an apartment on the top floor of a high-rise. Some best indoor plants can be the money plant, snake plant, rubber plant, peace lily, bamboo palm, and aloe vera. If we talk about the money plant, we have all seen money plants growing in someone's house. Most people prefer to place them in old glass bottles with plenty of water. The plant, with its yellow tint leaves, grow quickly, and since it is essential a vine, it is best as a hanging decoration. It is also one of the best plants to have indoors if you want to purify the air, as it filters formaldehyde from the indoor environment. So that's why this is the best plant by which you can decorate your home interior.